Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen where I'll be making restaurant quality food or better from my home to yours. Okay guys, today we're going to be making us a healthy, delicious salad. Okay? Right here in this kitchen. I'm going to show you what I got. This is some spring mix right here. I got some pepperonis right here. It's like coming with two in the pack. I just use one pack and I cut those up to little thin pieces. This is that right there. Okay, I have some English cucumbers. I'm gonna move this to the side so you can see. So right here, bring this up here. I have some English cucumbers. I have some raisins. I have some ginger, and I have some sliced garlic. Then I have some olives. I have some green bell peppers. I have some green onions. And over here, I have some cheese. This is sharp cheddar cheese. Over here, this is bacon, and this is turkey, mesquite turkey. And I have some eggs diced up. I have some grape tomatoes sliced. I have some strawberries sliced. And I have some Parmesan cheese right here. Alright? So let me go over here. We're going to be making us some homemade croutons. That's this right here. This is some sourdough bread that I had. And I just chopped it up into pieces or whatever. You can do that. I got some olive oil. Got some black pepper. I got some dill. Well, let me show you guys over here. So this is the olive oil. Here's the dill. Here's the black pepper. Here's some granulated garlic. Some sea salt, Himalaya. And I have some butter. Spray butter, that is. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this so you guys can see what I'm doing, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So we're going to take us some olive oil, like a half cup. I ain't going to use a half a cup. I guess we will use a half a cup. So we're just going to drizzle some of that in there. Okay? Just like that. And we'll take us some dill. We will go with like a teaspoon of dill. Take us a little salt. I don't want to get carried away with the salt. So we do like a half a teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon, okay? Some black pepper. Just sprinkle a little bit of that. Move this out the way. Some garlic. Just sprinkle a little bit of that in there. So this probably be like a quarter. And you just toss it around. You can mix it up. That's how we used to do it in the restaurant. We just mix it up like so. Now, if you have some Parmesan cheese, you can put some of that in it as well. This is what they do at the restaurant. Trust me, because I used to do it. Yep, I'm not lying to you. It was my job. I was the prep guy too. So you want to just mix that up, put it on the pan, just like that. Spread it out. Preheat your oven to like 400. And we're just going to cook this to the turn golden brown. Put a little bit more garlic on it. I love garlic. You don't have to, but I'm going to. Take my spray butter. Just like so. Nothing hard. And that's it. So we'll take this to the oven, pop that in there. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's the croutons right here. Okay, and they're delicious. They're not too hard. They got a little crunch to it. Oh, man, let me stop eating them. So anyway, I'll go ahead and put this healthy, delicious salad together like a boss. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take some of these cucumbers. Just put them around here, around the plate, like so. Many as you want. Okay? So like this. Leave a gap in between. Get another one. Alright. So we'll take our strawberries. Just put those in there. So you could eat it like, just throw a bunch of stuff on there, but I'm telling you, if you do it like this, it tastes different. And the reason why it tastes different because it's something in your brain that's saying that it's gonna taste better anyway. But you know, and then you have the choice of eating it one by one. But it just seems like it tastes better when the plate look good, presentable. It tastes super good. But you can do it however you want to do yours. Okay? But this is how I'm doing mine. Okay? Alright. So that's that on that. Alright? So we're going to go in with our salad. Just take a handful of salad. Put it in the plate. Like so. It's what they do at the gourmet kitchens. See how they throw that up there and stuff and make it look good. Just like so. Now the trick is you want to get you some, you can put whatever you want to. I got baffled. I'm going to put the tomatoes on there. So not a whole bunch, just enough. This is how you make a salad like a boss. Alright? So, next thing we're going to go with is some olives. You just put them on there however you want to put on there. Just make it look presentable. I like black olives too. If you want some of those, some peppers, you can put peppers on there. Have a cut slice of garlic slices. World of difference, I'm trying to tell you. World of difference when you do that. Let's see if I can get that off of my hand. I have some ginger, just little pieces. You don't want a whole bunch. This stuff is very healthy for you too. Alright. Sorry I'm going slow, but I just want my salad to look nice. Alright, let me wash my hands. Alright, we're gonna go in with a pepperoni. Just throw a few on there. You don't want a whole bunch of meat, do you? If you do, put a whole bunch on there then. We just want the plate to look nice, right? So I'll be trying to put it all over so I can get a bite. Alright? Let me take us some bacon. A little bacon in there. Alright. A couple more little pieces here and there. All right, what is next? We go in with we got that, some turkey. Throw you a few pieces of turkey on there, like so. This is how you make a delicious, healthy salad like a boss. Because you're a boss, right? You are the boss. Alright, put one right there. I like a lot of meat on mine. Alright. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with a few eggs. Just like that. Alright, let's see, we got some bell peppers, and then like spread it out like that. Probably one more in here, looks like it's off, and this one back. Just like that. You got some onions. Go ahead and throw you some of those on there. So you can just throw them around there like this. These are garden onions. Put as much as you want on yours. Just like so. Get you some cheese. But we don't throw the cheese yet. Throw a few these raisins on there. We cooking like a boss today, y'all. Eating good and healthy around here. Now, if you don't want a lot of this stuff on it, don't put a lot on there, okay? Alright, we got our cheese. Just take us a few pieces of cheese, like so. Some cheddar cheese. And a few croutons. You take the crouton and go across there, like that. So when you want to bite some, you just go and get you some, right? I'm telling you, this is restaurant quality. Y'all got the right one on YouTube. I'm not lying to you, because it's going to be a whole bunch of stuff I'm going to be bringing your way. You know, you crawl before you walk, right? So guess what? So imagine I'm doing just this little stuff right here. Imagine what I'm going to be doing later. I'm going to teach you how to cook like a professional. I promise you. Just stay with me. Alright? So, ladies and gentlemen, there's your salad. You need to zoom in. We'll zoom in for you. That's your salad right there. This is how you make a salad. A healthy, delicious salad. Like a boss. So you guys like this? Give me a thumbs up. Like and share with your friends and family. Help me get some subscribers. For we can cook straight up like a boss together. Okay? And one last thing, I love you guys and thank you for staying with me, and hopefully we can create some more beautiful recipes together. Okay? Veldog signing out. Enjoy your day.